Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to modify elements in a list in Python. The syntax for modifying an element is similar to the syntax of accessing an element in a list. To change an element, we can use the name of the list followed by the index of the element you want to change, and then we are going to provide the new value that we want that item to have. For example, we have list of motorcycles, the Yamaha, and then we have Suzuki, and we can print our list, the original list, and then we want to change the value of our first item. So we're gonna do m at the index 0, and we are going to replace it with Honda, and then we are going to print our list again. So we access the item with its index number and add a new value to it, and then again we print the list. Now we can run our code and check the output. And here is the output, the original list and the modified list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.